You probably know that when you move around in your car, you and your vehicle always stay connected thanks to the cell towers installed everywhere on the ground. But underwater, radio doesn't work, and this scenario was not possible for the increasing fleet of autonomous underwater vehicles, or AUVs, up until now. With LUMA Cell-Network technology, Hydromea brought this functionality down to the seafloor. Since we cannot easily dive and demonstrate it on the seafloor, we went to an Olympic swimming pool and connected 4 LUMA modems in each of the 4 corners, interconnecting them through an Ethernet switch. With the pilot control station in the loop, the operator has a high-bandwidth wireless network coverage underwater across the entire pool. We then installed another LUMA modem on our wireless underwater vehicle X-ray and dropped it into the water. Wherever the vehicle moves, the LUMA modem in the network that has the strongest signal to the vehicle switches on to provide a high-speed wireless link. This enables HD video streaming from the vehicle camera and full control of the vehicle by the pilot. Thanks to this infinitely scalable cell network capability of the LUMA modems, the vehicle always stays connected, just like your car on a highway. So what's the big deal? The LUMA wireless network is a key enabler for monitoring and intervention jobs subsea using AUVs, eliminating the need for today's offshore supply vessels. By providing high-speed, low-latency links, it allows operators to remotely control AUVs from an onshore office while streaming uninterrupted HD video from the AUV's camera in real time. This new way of working delivers more than 100-fold cost savings per inspection campaign and cuts many tons of CO2 emissions that are currently inherent to vessel-based operations.